Thank you. This is what you've done to me.
Why? Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back. Whether they're big or whether they're small, because you can really easy into your own garden. The displays, and as ever, if we go across this way, I want to show you something. Oh, you put me off. Oh my God. It's Kenny.
Hello. This is my, if you sow one seed.
Okay, so this is the one seed that if you sow nothing else, you have to sow this. It's pelagoniums.
Okay, so I'm not going to remember this. So it's, if you sow one seed.
One seed.
If you sow one seed.
No, one seed.
One seed.
That if you sow nothing else.
That if you sow nothing else.
You have to sow this.
You have to sow this. That is so clumsy. One seed.
Yeah.
But you don't say that. You say there's one seed.
This is my one seed.
This is my one seed. If you sow nothing else, you have to sow this.
Yeah.
You know, I did a whole homestead tour lying on my belly. I did a ground level homestead tour.
Okay.
People hated it.
I thought you were going to say people thought it was great.
They hated it.
Hey Niall, did you know I once did this video? Everybody hated it. So, do you know what? Let's do that for your intro. I've got a great idea. Let's take something that really bombed and we'll use it on your channel. Right, come on, let's try and get this done. It's bad enough that there's that background noise.
Looking great.
Thank you. I know. It's Kenny!
Pelagoniums! Surely we're not going to go straight into it. I haven't even ready. There's a lot of writing. Pelagoniums.
You don't have to say the title.
You can sow pelagoniums, also known as geraniums. No. I think it's just a bad idea. You can sow pelagoniums, also known as geraniums, now. That's so weird. Pelagoniums.
Right.
Right now.
A lot of biennials that you can start to sow now are relatively large or quite loose plants in their habit. You can sow it now and grow it on for flowers next year. It will flower in the spring and it will perform well in shade as well as sun. They've got irises on the top which are starting to come through. Oh, this is really heavy. You can plant it in pots and it works well in small gardens. Its flowers are little pom-poms of reds, pinks and whites with super tiny petals. Give it a go and it might just win you over after all. Why?
There you go. You can take that back to Ireland with you.
Cheers. Thank you so much for your advice.
Thank you. This is what you've done to me. It's all the thought of ornamentals.
Yeah.
So what was your fifth one?
I can't remember what the fifth one is. Oh no. So it was going to be nature. And then you see I didn't write the fifth one down because we were working.
Was it was nature will win in the end? So the other thing that I'd really like to learn is to write stuff down when I've had a really good idea, so that when I think about it in like only 15 minutes time, it's there because I've already forgotten.
Yeah. I didn't even notice what you were doing. Well, now we've got a whole load of content for the Christmas blooper reel. Because do you know the awful thing? I was about to go, do you know what? That would wrap really nicely into my video, about 5-second videos. Because I thought you were being serious. It's been really cool to get to see you around.
You know what? I'll just say, it's a dreaded intro.
It is.
Because
They're
last
the hardest
time
bits.
I was filming in here with someone else, Liz. I think a lot of the viewers know exactly how
Yes.
that turned out. So we'll just say, it was a pleasure having you round.
Yes.
Please come back in the summer.
I will. Thank you so much for letting me see. No, you're a terrible giggler. I now understand why that video happened.
No,
No, get out.
it's her influence.
Thanks for showing me around. It's been really cool to see this place, and actually, it's been really nice to be able. Everyone, how's it going? Welcome back, and you'll see that I'm not in my own garden. Hey everyone, how's it go?
I thought that was good.
Oh,
Cut it, finish it, man.
we haven't told them what we're going to do.
Oh,
And Liz is like, no, let's lie on the cardboard and present it. You can put the camera at a really low angle. Why don't you do that? She said. And what I said was, well, the last time I did that, in my no-mo video, you took the mick out of me mercilessly for about 2 months because what was it? I looked like I was talking, having been submerged in a really deep hole. Thank you. You gave me a total complex about that. Okay, the next group of seeds that we're going to be talking about this month come from my salad tin. And you could easily... That will teach me to eat a bit of lettuce and then try and film a segment. I have got little bits. Do you ever get this? Tell me something. This is not for the camera. Do you ever get to a point where you're just like, I can't even get words out? And now look, these are just about to open fully. Open? These are just about to open. Oh. They're productive throughout the winter. Winter? You know how much I love flowers that look like car parsley? Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what is your seed sowing year? I really have, but I suppose that's what is to it. Oh, I know I said it was good. Oh, and growing. So I really hope that today has brought you some ideas and inspiration that you can apply in your own garden. It certainly has for me. I hope it does the same for you. And as ever, until next time, see you later.